Project 366 day 163. Alright, my daughter's a florist and I'm looking at her secchies and other tools and they're a disgrace. So today I'm going to clean them up, give them a nice new lease to life, let's say. Let's do it. Alright, not particularly great. They still need a lot of work, but better than what they were, a bit rusty. I'm going to give them a spray now, a bit of oil, and hopefully we can get them back to what they should be. They're not cheap and they're good quality. But my florist daughter, lucky it's her 21st birthday today, has been a little bit slack with them. So let's bring them back to life. Alright, that is done. Now I've got to go and wash my own hands. Talking about dirty hands and got paint all over them. So let's do that. Peace out, everybody. Love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.